channel study lecture. Today we see a topic about gravitation. देखिए first question. What is the name of an attractive force which acts between any two bodies in our universe? The right answer, gravitational force. Now see about gravitational force. According to Newton's law of universal gravitation, the attractive force between two point-like bodies is directly proportional to product of their mass and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Then F is equal G into m1 m2 divided by r square. The constant of proportionality G is gravitational constant. The gravitational constant is a physical constant. G equal 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 meter cube kg inverse second inverse. The dimension assigned to the gravitational constant are force times length square divided by mass square. This is equivalent to length cube divided by mass and by the time square. In SI base unit, the amount to meter cube per kilometer per second square. In CGS, 6.67 into 10 power minus 8 cm3 gram inverse second minus 2. Next question, what is the value of universal gravitational constant G in CGS unit? The right answer, 6.67 into 10 power minus 8 CGS unit. Next question, what is the value of gravitational acceleration on Earth? The right answer, 9.8 meter per second square. Next question, the value of gravitational acceleration is increase as a height increase from the Earth. Next question, where the value of gravitational acceleration is less due to the motion of Earth? The right answer, at the equator. Next question, in which region of Earth the weight of body is slightly greater? The right answer, at polar region. Next question, if the speed of rotation of Earth increase, then what would be the value of weight of a body? The right answer, the weight of body will decrease. If the Earth's rotation speed increase, then the weight of body decrease, because you see a moving body on rotating Earth's surface itself is the referential frame. So when the Earth rotates, the centripetal force acts toward the center of rotation. Next question, what is the approximate mass of the Sun? The right answer, 2 into 10 power 30 kg. Now see about Sun. Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is nearly perfect sphere. It is the most important source of energy for life on Earth. It is the diameter is about 1.39 million kilometers. It accounts for about 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. Roughly 3/4 of the Sun's mass consists of hydrogen, rest mostly helium, with much smaller quantity of heavier elements including oxygen, carbon, neon and iron. Next question, what is the approximate mass of the Earth? The right answer, 6 into 10 power 24 kg. Next question, what is the escape velocity? Now see about escape velocity. Escape velocity is the minimum speed needed for a free object to escape from gravitational influence of a mass body, that is, to achieve as an infinite distance from it. Escape velocity is a function of mass of the object and distance to the center of mass the object, that is, escape velocity is equal root over 2gm divided by r, where g is universal gravitational constant, where m is mass of body to escape from, and r is the distance from the center of mass to the object. Next question, what is the value of escape velocity of Earth? The right answer, 11.2 km per second. Next question, does the time period of an artificial satellite depend on its mass? Right answer, no. Now see about time period of satellite. The time to complete one revolution around the planet depend upon the height of the orbit. The orbital period of a satellite depend on the mass of the planet being orbited and the distance of the satellite from the center of the planet. Next question, what would be the height of an artificial satellite so that it can be observed as the same position with respect to Earth? The right answer 36,000 km. Next question, how much time does a polar satellite to take a complete revolution around the Earth? The right answer 2 hours. Next question, what is the weight of a body inside an artificial satellite of Earth? The right answer 0. Next question, does the gravitational force same for two objects inside and outside the water? Yes. Next question, what is the weight of a body of mass 1 kg? The right answer 9.8 Newton or 9.8 kg meter per second square. Newton is equal kg meter per second square. Weight of free fall body is 0. Next question, does escape velocity of body depend on its mass? No. Next question, if a stone bring back to Earth from moon, then its mass remain constant but weight will be changed. Next question, what is the value of gravitational acceleration inside the Earth? The right answer 0. Last question, if the Earth stop rotating, then the weight of an object on the North Pole will remain same. Now see about polar satellite. Polar satellite is a satellite whose orbit is perpendicular or at right angle to the equator, or in simple word, it passes over the north and south pole as it orbits the Earth. It can be any height from the Earth, typically as 500 to 800 kilometers.